हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। मैं हूं निखिल चंद। गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं राखी, और वो भी क्ले की मदद से, जैसा कि आपको वीडियो में दिख ही रहा होगा। सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, क्ले को फाड़ लेंगे। और इसमें मैंने ज़्यादा क्ले का यूज़ नहीं किया है। बस आपको मैनली अगर आप 1 10 रुपये का क्ले खरीदते हो तो उतना में आपको बन ही जाएगा। और आप लोग अलग अलग क्ले खरीदना। मेरे पास एक ही क्ले था, इसलिए मुझे कलर करना पड़ा। अगर आपके पास अलग अलग क्ले है तो वो बहुत अच्छा है, और उस पर आपको कलर नहीं करनी पड़ेगी। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
streets where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Each corner whispers a hero fell. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveiled. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living, where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Hey! Late night lights, city shining in gold. Story after story, all the legends retold. Cruisers hit the streets, hear the engines purr. Low riders dipping, making heads turn for sure. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast breeze got the beat so sweet. cobblestones glisten, the city hums low, a drizzle soft whisper, where do thoughts go? The saxophone sighs in a soulful lament, a moment of peace that feels heaven sent. Through bookstore windows, the stories unfold. Between dusty pages, the wisdom of old. The jazz dances gently, carries the breeze. Philosophy lingers in moments like these. Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the quiet affirms what no words need to say. Oh, what is a thought but a cloud in the sky? It drifts and reforms and it bids us ask why. We walk through the chapters, our lives intertwine with the hum of the world and this rhythm divine. Cafe lights shimmer, their glow softly spills on lovers and loners and lifelong ideals. Each sip of the moment is brewed with intent, flavor of life with a note of content. Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the quiet affirms what no words need to say.
तो गाइस जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं हमारा जो राखी है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है। इसको मैंने जो है क्ले से बनाया है। ऐसे ही मज़ेदार वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल द नेकी आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।